The MV Agusta Superveloce 1000 Serie Oro is not just another superbike. Honestly, this motorcycle feels more like a moving piece of art that somehow also happens to deliver insane performance. The moment you see it, you immediately understand that MV Agusta wasn't trying to build something ordinary. The 2026 Superveloce 1000 Serie Oro feels emotional, exotic, and incredibly exclusive in a way very few motorcycles on the planet can match. In a market where many sport bikes are starting to look similar, this machine stands out instantly because it blends classic racing inspiration with modern superbike aggression better than almost anything else available today. From the round LED headlight design to the sculpted aerodynamic bodywork and exposed mechanical beauty, every angle of this motorcycle feels carefully designed to make riders stop and stare. And honestly, pictures don't fully prepare you for how stunning this bike looks in person. The details are unbelievable. The carbon fiber body panels, gold accents, premium aluminum parts, and handcrafted finishes make the bike feel more like a luxury Italian supercar than a normal motorcycle. It has that rare kind of presence where even people who don't ride motorcycles can instantly recognize that they're looking at something special. In the United States, where exotic motorcycles are often treated almost like collector pieces, the Superveloce 1000 Serie Oro fits perfectly into that high-end dream bike category. But the crazy thing is that this motorcycle isn't just about appearance. Underneath all the beauty is a machine with serious superbike performance. The inline-four engine is absolutely brutal when you open the throttle. The acceleration feels explosive, especially once the RPM climbs higher, and the sound, coming from the exhaust, is honestly one of the best things about the entire experience. It has this sharp, aggressive scream that sounds pure Italian racing heritage. Every time you rev the engine, the motorcycle feels alive, almost like it wants to be unleashed on a racetrack. Yet somehow, despite all the power and aggression, the bike still feels refined. The throttle response is smooth, the electronics work intelligently in the background, and the chassis feels incredibly precise through corners. Riding the Superveloce 1000 Serie Oro feels dramatic in the best possible way. Every ride feels like an event instead of simple transportation. Another thing that makes this motorcycle stand out is how emotional the riding experience feels. Some high-performance motorcycles focus so heavily on lap times and technical perfection that they lose personality. This bike does the opposite. It feels passionate. You can feel the Italian character in everything from the engine sound to the riding position and even the way the bike reacts when you push it harder. The handling feels sharp and responsive, but there's still a sense of raw excitement underneath the refinement. On twisty roads, the motorcycle feels incredibly agile for a leader-class machine, changing direction quickly while staying planted and stable at higher speeds. The suspension setup feels premium, absorbing imperfections surprisingly well while still giving the rider that connected, race-inspired feel superbike fans love. Technology on the 2026 model also feels advanced without becoming cold or overly complicated. The TFT display looks modern and premium, the rider aids are smooth and confidence-inspiring, and features like traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and riding modes help make the bike more manageable without taking away its personality. That's an important balance because motorcycles like this can easily become intimidating if the electronics aren't tuned properly. But MV Agusta has done a great job making the motorcycle feel powerful yet controllable. Even visually, the cockpit area feels special. Every button, every material, and every design element reminds you that this isn't a mass-produced budget motorcycle. Comfort obviously isn't the main priority on a machine like this, but surprisingly, the ergonomics aren't as punishing as some extreme superbikes. Yes, the riding position is aggressive, and yes, you feel connected closely to the machine, but the bike still feels usable enough for spirited road riding. That matters because many riders in the US who buy exotic motorcycles want something they can actually enjoy outside of the racetrack too. What really makes the MV Agusta Superveloce 1000 Serie Oro 2026 unforgettable is the overall experience it creates. It's not just fast. Plenty of motorcycles are fast. What makes this bike different is the way it combines speed, beauty, exclusivity, and emotion into one package. Riding it feels cinematic. It feels dramatic. It feels alive. And honestly, that's becoming increasingly rare in today's motorcycle world. For riders who want something more than just another superbike, for people who want a motorcycle that feels artistic, exotic, and emotionally exciting every single time they ride it, the Superveloce 1000 Serie Oro might be one of the most special motorcycles available today.